Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here then hi, please hit that subscribe button down below to make sure you don't miss any of my videos. I can be pretty funny sometimes, especially when people walk in on me recording, so if you want to see any of that then please join the subscribers. But today I have oh my god, an interesting video for you. I'm going to be testing out Younique makeup. I have pretty much a full face. The only products I don't have are powder, highlight. For the most part I've got everything. It's all tucked neatly in this little box that my mum got when she got all of this makeup a while back. She's probably, I say she used it once, I put it on her once, but she's not really a makeup person. Like, she's a natural bare face person and that's totally okay. More makeup for me. So I am just going to put my mini ears on and we will get right into the video. There we go. I start with my eyes first, just because it maximises the potential to clean up any mistakes. I've already got my primer on. I've used the MUA Skin Defined Matte Perfect Primer. The palette I have is the Moonstruck Addiction Shadow Palette. It comes in this packaging. It's like cardboard with a magnet. These are the shades. There's 3 matte shades, and 2 shimmers and 2 more glitter formula. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but I'm trying to articulate. That was a big word for me. What I'm going to do is start with the Determined shade. It's just like a purpley grey. So this shade is actually a lot more pigmented than I expected it to be. Usually mattes are often not quite as pigmented because it tends to just fly away. If anyone's wondering what brush this is, it's actually an A1 brush. Got it as a freebie with something or other, I can't remember what because I've had it a long time. My nose is getting a bit dry for some reason around my piercing. I'm then just going to take the shade Tickled, which is again another matte shade. I'm just going to put this as like my crease colour. I pretend that I know what I'm talking about, but I really don't. Okay, that is quite pink. And this brush I'm using now is like an angle blending brush from Primark, if anyone's curious. I think I might actually put a little bit more of that on just to try and define the outer parts. What am I even saying? I do not understand myself. Yeah, that is more defined. I think I usually tend to try and stay away from pink eyeshadows because it makes me look like I've got irritated eyes, but that could just be me because I have sensitive skin or red undertones. As you can see, I have a Rudolph nose right now, but I'm pretty happy with this colour, to be honest. I'm going to be a bit daring here and use the Irate colour, which is black on the corners of my eyes. I will probably screw this up for me, but that'll be more enjoyment for you, so whatever, it's all for you. Actually, that's not that bad. I kind of like that. Yeah, I put way too much on that side. After a little bit of blending, that has worked out a bit better. It's given it a smoky effect. Now I'm either going to use the Ecstatic shade from this palette, or I'm going to be daring and use a cream shadow, which I'm probably going to regret because I've never worn cream shadow before, but it's in the shade Tenacious. It's like a ombre gold colour. I have no idea if the camera has changed angles or anything. I apologise. But I had to fix the lighting and I think it has slipped because now I'm getting a double chin. Oh yeah, by the way, this it actually is a Younique brush. It was just in the box and it says it's a cream shadow brush. so that is what I'm using it for. I'm not really a fan of cream shadow. It's added a little bit glitter, but no colour or anything to my eyes. Whatever. I am going to go to the ecstatic colour from the palette. Okay, now that has done something. Yeah, I think you can all see the difference now between the two eyes. Yeah, I kind of like this. Okay, I really like that, and it's actually a bit different to what I would usually go for. This is more of a smoky, dark look, but I'm kind of loving it. I do have a little bit of glitter fallout. I think that is from the cream shadow. I might later on put the Smitten colour, which is like a silver, on my inner corners, but right now I'm gonna move to eyeliner. Now this is a pencil, which I do tend to shy away from. I used to use them all the time, but then I just found out that felt pen liners were a lot easier for me to use, and I could use it on the top more and easier than I can pencils. Oh dear, it's not sharpening. It's got stuck in there. What have I just done? I don't usually do this because I poke my eyeballs out with it, but I'm going to try and put it on the upper lash line, water line. This is going to go so wrong because I have to hold my eyelashes up as I do it. I need to look in the mirror. Oh god, I don't like this. Look. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. Jeez, how do people do this? Oh my god, I am never doing that again. If I was back to being like 14, then I would probably use this all the time just as like normal eyeliner. A lot of people used to rave over this because it has like fibres and it's supposed to give you a really good volumized look. I couldn't get it to work on my mum. She has flat, straight eyelashes and they're quite short, whereas me, I'm gifted. Gifted isn't really the right word I'm looking for, but to have naturally long, curled lashes. I don't even need to wear mascara, but I like it because it just darkens them. If anything, like I don't need it for the volume or the length. These are the Moonstruck 3D fibre lashes. It comes in this box. I can't remember how to use this. Place brush at the root of lashes and gently sweep to tip. Easily washes off. Well, yeah, I know that. I meant which one comes first. So I guess the gel comes first and then you put the fibres on. I think the angle's changed once again because the iPod slipped. The transplanting gel comes first. This gel is actually black. I don't even think I need the fibres, to be honest. Okay, so I'm just going to test out the fibres anyway, just purely because that is what it says to do. What is going on with my eyebrows? Oh my god, if I get these in my eyes, it's going to kill. Oh well, okay. That is crazy. I look like I've got false lashes on. One thing I do have to say though is these things get all over your face. I think I might just go over with the gel again after this, just to try and hold them in place. Okay, I think that definitely helps. That is pretty doggone volumizing. I'm not used to my lashes being this fake looking. I have a runny nose. In some of my previous videos, I have mentioned that I did have the YOUNIQUE foundation. The bottle was kind of leaking a little bit. I still have the box that I ordered it in. It's the Mineral Touch liquid foundation, and I have it in the shade Scarlet. It's the palest one I think that was available to me. The iPod keeps slipping from its little vantage point. Apparently with this foundation it's supposed to be like ultra coverage. I think that only works with with the actual brush that comes with it, but we do not have that because I don't think it was available. So many people were buying it. I'm just gonna put a few drops on this brush that I've got, dot it all over my face. I haven't actually used this as like a full face product before, I don't think. It's kind of clinging to the very few dry patches that I have got. I might go over it with a damp sponge just to help it settle into the skin. It might just be the way that I'm applying it because I am not a makeup guru whatsoever. And now I have a ton of foundation in my eyebrows. Great! So I'm just going to spray my little spongy thing with what I have remaining of this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix setting spray. And I'm just going to drop it straight onto my face this time. And it's dripping. I really don't get how people can actually apply all of their makeup with their foundation with a sponge, because it just, for me, it's so hard just to keep bobbing up and down on your skin. After applying with a brush, it does help to set it in place, I think, more than anything. I'm just babbling away to myself. Like, what the hell am I doing? As usual. And I am buzzing. Where is that coming from? Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Speaking. Goodbye. Consumer lifestyle surveys and whatever. Leave me alone. I block them all, like every time they call me I block them, and they keep creating new numbers to call me. It's really driving me insane. I'm beginning to wonder whether I should just change my number, but they'd probably get a hold of my new number anyway. If there's any area of my face that needs coverage, it has got to be my nose. Yeah, it's more of a medium coverage than anything. I think I get more coverage out of the Collection Lasting Perfection foundation, despite the fact that that is really orange for me. I'm going to set it in place with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, which I'm going to need a new one soon. Now I have fibres in my eyes. I've got foundation and powder on, and my eyes are done. You already knew that. Come on, you ditsy girl. I actually have fibres in my eye. Oh my god. I don't like that. I said I would come back to the Smitten colour in the Mood Truck palette, just to put in my inner corners if I can get these fibres out. Where is it? It's actually on my eyeball. I think I've got it. That is one downside to the mascara. Be really careful. That's actually giving me a lot of highlight. I'm wondering if I should try and highlight my cheeks with it, but that is probably going a bit extreme. Should I? Oh, she did it. I should use a bigger brush. Pretty sure you can see the shiny spot on my face right now. We can't see that much right now, and that's making me really sad. I'm gonna put a bit on my nose, lips, but before that, I'm just gonna set my eyebrows in place. I really need to get my eyebrows threaded, like they are driving me insane. Okay, and now for my brow gel. I am using the e.l.f. eyebrow mascara duo for my brows. Got for Christmas, if you saw my what I got for Christmas 2017 video. I actually really like this. I'm looking in the mirror to the side of me, by the way. My brows are super bushy at the moment, so I apologise. I really do need to get them threaded because they're going crazy wild. So brows done. I have the Moonstruck Opulence lipstick. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Opulence in the shade Upscale. And it's pink. I don't like pink. I'm hoping it's going to be more of a nudie pink than a bright pink, but I could be mistaken. Oh my god. That is like neon pink. I think I just ruined my look with this pink lipstick. I mean, it applies really nicely and it's creamy. It's not drying or anything like that. It's not like super slippery or sticky. It's a good lipstick. If it was in another colour, then I would probably be loving this. I look like a 5-year-old. Okay guys, this is my final look of the Younique makeup. I really love the eyeshadow palette. Wouldn't go for the cream shadow. The mascara is pretty damn good. The only downside to that is getting the fibres in your eyeballs. That is pretty painful. The foundation I like. It's not full coverage like it says, but you can work on it. If you've got like, what's the word? Normal to dry skin, then you're probably really gonna like the foundation. It does dry down to be kind of like a semi-matte, half dewy finish. The lipstick is great aside from the colour. I just don't like pink. I'm really not a pink girl. My legs are killing me from how I've been sitting doing this video for God knows how long. If I had to recommend any one of these products on its own, it would be the eyeshadow palette. And if they had a liquid liner, I would be really tempted to try that. So I might see what I can do about that. Thank you for watching. Before you leave, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share this, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. So that should be on Sunday, 8 PM. Be there, because I have another original, which it's different, I'll say that. So you should definitely hang around for that and keep an eye out for it, because like I said, it's different. So I will see you in my next video.